Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to change color in CMD. Turn this boring-looking thing into these. In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize your command prompt window with colors of your choice. First, let's open the command prompt window. You can do this by typing CMD in the Windows search bar and clicking on Command Prompt. Once you have opened the command prompt window, right-click on the title bar and select Properties. In the Properties window, select the Colors tab. Here, you will see a list of color options for the text and background of the command prompt window. To change the color, simply click on the color box and select your preferred color. You can customize the color of the screen text and screen background options by selecting them individually. Once you have selected your preferred colors, click on OK to save the changes.